Diyos. Nanay, di ba nanay, guntingan man ng maskara? Na,
Sa'yo maskara.
maskara god. Excuse me, nanay. Mga nagkalain-lain sa Pilipino, Kristyanismo, Islam, Aglipay, Protestante,
Totoo na.
Anglican,
Sir, loga study na. Study your
Sini, Dioha, 7 day,
basaha. Kaya check na tatayon niya.
Diyos tawag sa
Sige na. Ano sa may giingon ni teacher? Sa inyong lesson. Gusto din mo.
Biko Protestante, Aglipay, o Protestante. Paglaon.
Uy, nice na lagi kay kag-agi, day.
Paglaon.
Pretty naman lagi kag-agi.
Sa matag panghitabo sa atong kinabuhi, paglaom lamang ang kanunay at imi sa kasing ipatig o dili itago kus ganong itinguha magab-o kon kini mapalambo kon problema maabot dili maluya sa Dios lamang isalig ang imong pangaliya naabot
Pangaliya.
paabot ang adlaw kalampusan mo way duha ang imong ugma sigurado busa mansa ni nanay
Busa.
kini sa mag MAG
Magmaayo.
magmaayo pa ka. Wala na.
Wala na. MTV na? ESP.
Yes.
Your MTV is here.
Science. Where's my MTV?
Here.
Oops. I forgot it. Science lesson. Og masarap alam sa
Sit up straight lang ga. Mas sleepy ka anak kuya.
Organs. Eyes. Sense of
Senses. Sense of sight.
ears. Sense of hearing. Nose. Sense of smell.
Sense of...
Kinsa nabaho sa classroom katong nabaho, ibang
Ha? Na? Sure? Kinsa man?
sa classroom.
Hupop.
I don't know, nanay.
Mm.
Nose. Sense of smell.
Senses of
Tongue.
smell.
Senses of taste.
Tongue.
Skin. Sense of touch.
Senses of touch.
Parts of the eye. Eyebrow. Eyelashes. Eyelids. What is eyelids?
Here.
Kinds of taste. Sweet. Example. Cakes, candies. Salty. Examples. Bagoong. Solid fish. Fish. Sour. Example. Vinegar. Marini.
Tamarind. That's tamarind. It's very
Bitter.
sour.
Example. Medicine. Ampalaya.
Ampalaya. Uy, sleepy na. Sit up straight.
What your
I-check na
body
ni
needs.
tatay.
What your body
Sige na
needs.
ka, maita
Food,
para
fresh
makasleep
air,
early.
Shelter, clean water, sunlight, clothing, rest, sleep, exercise,
Dili.
love and care.
Just like Ariel.
Alligators under the
Kaya mo na
sea.
imong test paper din. I-check na ni tatay.
Example, fish, crabs, whales,
Ay,
shrimp.
sige na lang ka. Natulog man o. Sige na. Gamay na lang to. Sige. Sit up
Special
straight.
body
Good.
part
Para dili ka
of some
ma-sleep.
animals. Many animals have the same body parts, but they do not look the same. They have special parts just for them. Fish has fins. Rabbit has legs. Elephant has trunk. Camel has hump. Zebra has stripes on its body. Turtle has big shell over its body. Deer has antlers. Birds has wings.
Ariel has
Body covering of animals. Body coverings. What is this, Nanay?
Jaman, I cannot read it.
Protective structures of animals that protect from heat or cold and from their enemies. Slimy skins. Example, frogs, squids, scales. Example, fish, snakes, feathers.
Birds.
Example, birds and other fowls. Air, our fur. Example, dog, cats. Carabaos, shell. Example, turtles, crabs, clams. Where animals live. Animals live on the different places, habitat, place where they live. Dog, kennel, horse, stable, chicken, coops.
Answer ang questionnaire.
Fish, water, farm,
Para ba
animal.
naging adlaw?
Birds, nest
Sira ni
on
tatay.
the
Dito ni
trees,
tatay.
roof
Oh.
of houses.
Nakasabot ka.
Ant hills, spider web, pig pen, bees, honeycombs, dog pond. Animals live on inland farm. Wild animals, water, fish, shrimps, air, birds, both of land, water and water, turtle, crocodile, frog. Benefits of animals: food, clothing, accessories, transportation, guard the house, help the farm, make us happy, give us medicine, make us surroundings beautiful. Needs of animals: air, water, food, shelter, love and care. Kinds of animals: herbivorous animal eat plants or grass. Example, horse, cows, goats.
Ariel.
Carnivorous.
Herbivorous.
A. Carnivorous. Animals eat other animals. Example, cats, fish, frog. Nanay, why you're not putting R? Other animals. Example, cats,
Excuse
fish,
me.
frog. Omnivorous. Animals
Omnivorous.
eat both plants and animals. Example, bull, bird, chicken, grasshopper. Where plants grow. Aquatic plants grow in water. Example, water lily, lotus, kangkong, ceres. Real plants grow on land. Example, trees, grasses, shrubs. Nanay, do you know I am a baby? So I see on the video.
Yeah.
Real plants grow on stones, wall, and bark of big trees. Orchids, fir, carving for plants. Number one, water plants every day. Number 2, grow plants in fertile soil.
Fertile ba na, sir?
Protect plants from harmful animals. Remove the weeds around the plants. Place plants where they can get enough sunlight. and energy, matter, anything that occupies space and has vegats. Is it vegats?
Let me see. Asa man ani?
Vegats.
Which one?
Wait.
Which one?
This one.
Wait.
Wait. Charak. There is of matter, size, shape, color, odor, taste, texture. Earth and sky. Earth is very big. It is a planet. It is everywhere. It is where we all live. It is circular. It in shape with slight fault ending at the poles. The Earth is bigger than Moon but smaller than the Sun. It continues to move
Giligil ka pa sa imo agi sa unan.
to move every day. Well, don't fall off the Earth because of gravity. Gravity pulls everything down. Equator this Earth into equal halves.
Equal halves.
Northern is the upper part.
Yan ka.
Parts of the Earth. Land 1/3 of the X. Kene ni pressure checks. Kene land surface of
Kene X. X.
Earth
bagay. Not good.
Big
Not good.
pieces of land.
Review mo answer.
Continents.
Kana X.
Asia, Europe, North America, South America, Africa, Australia, Antarctica. Water, hydrosphere,
I-review na
water
kay.
surface
I-check na ni
of
tatay
the
unya.
Earth.
Uy, alam kaon pa mo din.
Bahay,
Sleep early. Uy, kaon sa.
Alam, babae, matulog.
Uy, sagad. Kuya. Agay.
Different.
Sleep early mas itsa
Earth,
ta.
ocean, biggest body
Plato na
of
to si
water.
Ariel.
Big oceans. Pacific Ocean, biggest ocean. Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean, sea air,
Basta di pa siya.
atmosphere, several layers of air that surround Earth. Different water forms, ocean, sea,
Agay, agay.
waterfalls,
Kuya.
lake.
Uy, ayaw matulog.
Breeze cold
Labad di unya asa.
air, feeling the morning wind moving or blowing air. Storm or typhoon were strong and gusty winds accompanied
Accompanied by strong
rain.
winds.
Materials we get from earth, food from plants and animals, building materials, water, rocks, and soil, air. Uses of water, drinking, watering the plants, home to water, animals and plants.
Do you understand what you're reading, dear? Huh?
Clothes and dishes.
Day?
Cleaning, taking a bath, brushing your teeth, cooking.
Do you understand what you're reading?
Yep. How can we take care of our land? Avoid unnecessary diggings. Do not cut trees. Be water. Turn off the faucet when not in use. Do not throw garbage in bodies of water. Sea air. Avoid burning garbage. Plants, trees. Observing weather. Meteorology. Study
Meteorological
weather condition of the atmosphere.
atmosphere. Atmosphere.
Unsa na ni?
Let me see. Hemisphere, be?
Here na na.
Which one?
S. This one, the S.
Which one?
This one,
Specific. Of a specific.
at a
Specific.
day and time, clouds, droplets of water
Nice na lagi ka agi lang ga.
din here atmosphere. Atmosphere,
Yes.
air
Temperature.
the hotness or coldness of air measured by using a thermometer.
Tigumon sa nato na. Napatila ang gastuhan.
Measures the speed and
Dili mo sugot
direction
sa tatay, ano?
wind. Types of weather: sunny day, sun is bright, sky is clear. Air is a little warm, wind is calm, cloudy day, sun is out. There are a few clouds. Air is a little cold. There is a soft breeze. There may be rain shower. Rainy day, clouds are dark, sun cannot be seen. Air is cold. Stormy days, strong winds, raining very hard. Air is very cold. Sun is hidden. Windy day. Winds are strong. Branches of trees sway. Leaves, flowers, and fruits fall down from trees. Children love to fly kites. The sky, things seen during the day, sun, clouds, plants, animals, things seen at night, moon, stars, bats, fireflies, neon lights.
Neon light.
Thank you, Nanay. Bao.
What's that? What subject?
Ay, Nanay. 0, 0, 0. 1, usa, uno. 2, duha, dos. 3, tulo, tres. 4, upat, cuatro.
Quattro.
5, lima. 6,
Quattro.
6, uno,
Quattro. Quattro.
7, pito, sete.
Siete.
7,
Yes.
8, walo, utso. 9, siyam. 9, napulo, 10.
Yes.
11, 12, 13, 14, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16,
17.
18,
17, 18.
19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 28, 29. Nanay, 23, 24, 25, 26, 7, 28, 29, 30.
What are those?
Let me guess. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10.
Tenth.
Nanay, kini nanay. Chata.
Try the first, second, third. Did you review some addition? How about multiplication?
Not yet. Multiplication.
Wala pa mo?
Nanay. Nanay? Saan pa na nanay ko?
Ay, usa ni ging? Usa ni? What's this?
I found this.
Sa
unang panahon, nanay. Sa unang panahon, nanay. Roman numerals. 1, 5, 10,
Oo.
50,
Berdugo.
100,
tinod ka na nga, pero
1,000.
good ra ka
Whose land
dayon
X
lakas
can
na lang gamay
only
dayon putlang ka ulo dayon mo tinod man na ana ang sundang mo pag anak nimo
Kato din sa Sinbad, di ba? Putlan siya ulo.
30.
Sa Sinbad.
gani wala siya naputol kaya lang wala ka
Kaya ni gawas man, nauli man tong Book of Life. Ay, Book of, sa to?
kung wala to na uli maputol tayo ulo
10.
Tinood na nanay nga imong anak ng
5
sundang
plus
din
1 plus
dili
1
maputol
plus
ang ulo
1 plus
Oy,
1
dili, maputol gid na.
10
tinood na
plus
nga di maputol
10
para ba
plus
simbag
5 equals
story na to
25.
Story na to, ayaw pagdulaan ng sundang kay tinuod na makakil.
5 plus
Ayaw
10 plus
pasagad
10
ana.
plus
Dili
10
man sa
plus
una
10
pang panahon
plus
maputla
1
kung
plus
makasala
1 plus
Oo,
1
gani.
83 equals 83.
Ayaw pagsagad og.
Nice.
Nagira pa sa una kan silang ni na asi
When a symbol
Inira
of
Lola.
greater value
dili pa priso
comes after a symbol of less value
Value.
we subtract
3,000 2,000
5 minus 1 equals 4. 10 minus 1 equals 9. When a symbol of less value comes after a symbol of greater value,
Value.
we add example 10 plus 1 plus 1 equals 12. 15 plus 10 plus 10 equals 70. A clock tells time. The long hand of the clock is called the minute. Called the minute hand, while the short hand is called the hour hand.
Our
A
hand.
complete turn of
Kada na siya agiya.
the long hand or the minute hand is equal to 60 minutes
Agoy.
or 1 hour.
Kuya.
There are 60 minutes, 1 hour. There are 30
1 hour.
minutes in a half hour.
In a half hour.
There are 50 minutes in a quarter hour. There are 24 hours in a day.
In a day.
The number before the colon tells the hour, and the number after the colon tells the minute. Sanglitanan
English nga
example. Ang tao hinay masinay
read and remember and naman to the horse and his friends
kahinahiyanan kaysa koneho. Tan ang kulo.
Ano yung questionnaire? Reviewin ba itong tatay?
Inay masinay pinakahinay sa tanan. Paspas mas paspas pinakapaspas mohilog
Superlative.
sa kabayo. Surat na. Bye-bye guys. See you later and click here to subscribe. Bye-bye.
Aba, alam mo pag mag-video ah. May sumpay na, please subscribe. Okay, thanks guys.
Thanks guys. Bye.